Good evening, friend. Today I am going to start a new video of physics for all the aspirants of SSC CGL examination, railway examinations, DRDO CEPTEM, ONGC, Junior Assistant, Material Management, and many more examinations, one-day examinations. Questions are very relevant for those exam points of view, which I have already told you. And now here, without wasting any more time, I would like to start my video. With the very first question of this session is radiocarbon is produced in the atmosphere as a result of the very first option is collision between fast neutron and nitrogen nuclei present in the atmosphere. Option B is action of ultraviolet light from the sun on atmospheric oxygen. Option C is action of solar radiations, particularly cosmic rays, on carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. And option D is lightning discharge in atmosphere. So the right answer here is the option A, collision between fast neutrons and nitrogen nuclei present in the atmosphere. Here the question number 2 is, it is easier to roll a stone up a sloping road than to lift it vertical upwards because option A is work done in rolling is more than in lifting. Option B is work done in lifting the stone is equal to rolling it. Option C is work done in both is same but the rate of doing work is less in rolling, and D is work done in rolling a stone is less than in lifting it. So our answer is here is option D. Work done in rolling a stone is less than lifting it. Of question number 3 of today's session is, the absorption of ink by blotting paper involves viscosity of ink, capillary action, phenomenon diffusion of ink through the blotting, and siphon action. So the answer of the third question is option B, that is capillary action phenomena. Friends, I'll just elaborate all the things in my separate video if you comment regarding all these things. Since here I don't have that much time, and you will also get bored if I discuss each and every small topic of this, like viscosity, capillary actions, diffusion, siphon action, and all that. Therefore, I am requesting you, if you want me to make a new video pertaining to all these special chapter like viscosity, I mean fluid mechanics and kinematics, so I would just go with chapter wise, or accordingly I would elaborate it as per your choice. So without wasting time, the answer of question number 3 is B, capillary actions phenomena. Siphon valve fails to work if option A is the densities of the liquid in two vessels are equal. Option B is the level of the liquid in the two vessels are at the same height. Option C is both its limbs are of unequal height. Option D, the temperature of the liquid in the two vessels are the same. The answer here is B, option number B, the level of the liquid in two vessels are at the same height. Question number 5. Large transformer, when used for some time, become very hot and are cooled by circulating oil. The heating of the transformer is due to, the very first is the heating effect of current alone, stresses loss alone. Option C is both the heating effect and current and stresses loss. And option D is intense sunlight at noon, which is of course not a valid reason. So the answer of this question is option number C, that is both the heating effect of current and stresses loss. Friends, after this question I will take a big pause. The question number 6 is, nucleosides are expressed in a unit named, option A is Fermi, option B is angstrom, option C is Newton, option D is Tesla. Of course, friends, A option Fermi is the right answer, and 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. And apart from this, angstrom 10 to the power minus 10 meter, Newton, of course, this is the unit of force, Tesla, and Tesla Tesla is the unit of magnetic field. So next question is light year is the unit of, that's very easy. Of course, everybody knows the answer of this question. However, I'm just going to discuss for those people who don't know the answer of this question. The very first option is time, second is distance, C is light, and D is intensity of light. Of course, the light here is the unit of distance. Like we use, it is said that that star is this much light year from Earth. That is it. So this is the unit of basically light year is the unit of basically distance. Do not get confused about time and intensity of light, and that intensity of light, the unit of intensity of light here I will discuss is that candela. So our next question here is mirage is due to mirage, friends, mirage, that sort of illusion that is basically happened during the summer days in desert, and this is because of refraction basically. And what happened here, first of all I would like to just tell you the option A is unequal heating of different parts of the atmosphere. Option B is magnetic disturbances in the atmosphere, which doesn't make any sense. Option C is depletion of ozone layer in the atmosphere, it also doesn't make any sense. Option D is equal heating of different parts of the atmosphere. So the right answer here will be option number A, unequal heating of different part of the atmosphere. But what happened in the case of mirage? This is basically because of you know refraction. This is basically because of refraction. What happened due to the difference in the temperature of the layers of air above the earth, that becomes you know uh, lighter, so the mediums get changed lighter and denser, and because of that this refraction happens, and in between, because of that, in between refraction and total internal reflection, and that makes an illusion for a person who moves during summer day in a desert. He just comes into illusion of sort of shadow of, he feels that that is water actually, which doesn't used to be water. Option number 9, light from the sun reaches, sorry, question number 9 is light from the sun reaches us in nearly 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 8 minutes and 16 minutes. The answer is very easy, everybody knows it. The answer is option number C, that is 8 minutes. Stars, question number 10 is star appears to move from the east to west because option number A is all star moves from east to west. Option number B, the earth rotates from west to east. Option number C, the earth rotates from east to west. Option number D, the background of stars moves from west to east. The right answer of this question is option number B, the earth rotates from west to east. Friend, this is very important question. Please just remember this question. Question number 11, Pascal is the unit of, everybody will knowing this question answer, so I will not waste any more time. This Pascal is the unit of pressure. Here the last question is, planets do not twinkle because they emit light of constant intensity. Their distance from the earth does not change with time. Option number C, they are very far away from the earth, resulting in decreases in the intensity of light. Option number D is they are nearer to the earth, and hence we received a great amount of light, and therefore minor variation in the intensity are not noticeable. Of course, the answer of this question is option number D. Planets are nearer to the earth, and hence we receive a great amount of light, and therefore minor variation in the intensity are not noticeable. So here I would like to just wrap up my video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe it, hit a like button if you like it, and don't forget to leave a comment. And if you want any more videos, many more videos, comment, leave a comment and do right there. Thank you friend, thank you very much for watching this video.